Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video we will explore how you can adjust your session timeout in GA4. This is my analytic dashboard. Bottom of the left corner there is a admin button. You can click on this. Then you can click on data stream and you can select your product. Then you can scroll something and click on configure tag setting. Then you can scroll something and click on show more, and you will see there is adjust session timeout. You can click on this. So you will see this is your session adjustment dashboard. So first one is adjust session timeout, and the second one is adjust timer for engaged session. Suppose if user will engage around 30 seconds, so Google Analytics will count as a session. If you will set a 10-minute or 10 second or the 20 second or the 30 seconds, it's totally depend on you. So how long you will consider as a session engaged. So from there you can set as a engaged session, and from there you can set as a session was ended. Suppose if the user are not doing anything within the 30 minute, so your session should be going to end. So you can set accordingly to your requirement how you will wanting to build a data in Google Analytics, so you can adjust from there. So this should be the how you can count your engaged session, and how you will count the engaged session would be going to end around the if the user will not doing anything within the 30 minutes, so session should be going to end. So overall this is the process for the how you can adjust session. Once you guys will configure this time, then after that you can hit the save button and the session was adjust accordingly. Okay, so overall this is the process for the adjusting session. So if you are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and take care. Bye bye.